Survival hacks with 5-minute crafts! The best survival people on Earth.
We'll see in a moment.
Those ticks are not good news.
Word. But I also know that you can put the oil on it and it will get rid of it.
Yeah, you know that like one of the only ways to kill them is to like get a. Oh, it's also fleas, is to burn them. Yeah.
But as I know, they can leave the legs of there.
That's true. Yeah.
Not
they
good.
can leave an infection.
Yes. Yes. So you need to get rid of fully.
Yeah.
And better go to the doctor to make some medicine.
I would just chop my arm off. Okay, so now, iodine inside of a Q-tip. Okay, why were we doing this?
What's this cute tip?
What a cute tip. Nice. And then you can disinfect your wounds.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Wait, you gotta do it.
She's,
For what?
Okay, what is that for? Okay, now it's a nice bandage as well.
What is his face for?
I don't know, yeah.
Like,
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Just trying to help you out, son. Have some respect.
She
She just got sweat and then drank it?
No, she said.
Okay, good.
Just kidding.
Dry shoes.
Yes,
Nice.
it's right. Okay, of course.
Chop some hair off, okay. Very nice.
To survive, you need
To survive, you need to chop your hair off for sure.
Yeah, that's why I will.
Braids and then shoes, because that's more necessary than having hair. I love that for them.
Yeah, well, so cute.
Yeah. Moss?
Moss?
I must ask, really? So you're in the wild surviving, but you have money. Interesting.
It's how it usually happens.
Yeah, true, true, true.
But you need to find a way how you're gonna use your money.
Mm-hmm.
As you wish.
Plastic, and then we're rolling this up for what?
Oh.
Ah, it's a nice hat.
Clever.
I like it.
Wow. Good job.
Okay,
So what is this?
hanger hook.
Oh, finger hook.
That's
I love
awesome,
it.
actually.
I love it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I want one of those. We should get it as a gadget.
Shall we test this gadget?
See how strong it is.
Let's see.
Ah, okay.
Oh, it's like a.
It's like a mini changing room.
Oh.
Portable changing room.
Shower.
/ shower. Okay. Coffee filter holder.
Mm-hmm. And so water, I guess.
That's how it works.
Okay, yeah. Portable coffee machine.
Ooh, yeah, pump it up.
Bum.
The jam, pump it up while your feet are stomping. And the jam is pumping. Look at that, blah, 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 blah. I don't want. Okay, so we got some eggs. We're cracking open our eggs.
Okay, wow, perfectly cooked.
I would open it differently,
No
but
way
okay.
it's gonna work myself. Okay, the fish. What is this fish?
We put the fish on the plate, we flip the fish over, and then easy fish.
Wow.
Some nice pieces of meat. Wow, he went boar hunting or something. Jeez.
Sorry guys, but it looks very, very.
Like bought from a store.
Well, I wanna try it. So.
Okay.
To cook your bread, I guess. And for what? Oh.
Ooh.
Nice soup.
Okay. I actually want to test that and see if it's good.
Yeah. Good soup.
We got some corn, we're heating it up, and it's popping.
With acid, right?
Yep. We tested this one. It was okay. It kind of burned.
Kind of burned, but yeah, good work. Okay, how to clean up, I guess. You just squeeze it, I saw.
Oh, and it's gonna be like a paste for that. I hate eggplant. This is.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I hate it as well. I mean,
Why?
yeah. I don't understand how you can eat it.
Do you think you could actually like survive in an island by yourself?
I think yes, and actually a while ago it was dream for me, be on the island.
What dream?
I mean, not a dream like crash on the plane or try to yourself to
Okay,
go on
okay.
the island.
So you want to
for a
be?
month,
Did you apply to Naked and Afraid, that show where they like just drop you off and you're naked on an island and you have to survive?
I would think about this.
I think you should do it.
Wow,
honestly.
it's actually it's a challenge which I like.
Yeah.
While ago, I were one of my vacation were on the in the forest.
Okay.
Like a week I were without internet, without nothing, and I'm just try to kind of survive there. Of course, I took some food and some tools there, and I love this vacation. So it's like
That's pretty cool.
yeah. What about you?
When I was a kid, my friends and I would actually go out and do a lot of camping. And one time, because we loved stuff like this, like trying to survive in the wild, we got our friend to drop us off for 24 hours in this it was like a empty desert field almost. And we tried to survive for 24 hours.
Wow.
And you know what we did?
Did you?
We called them halfway through and we were like, hey, pick us up.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What's the reason? I mean, why?
We got bored.
Okay. After an hour, like,
Yeah, okay, nothing to do here. No fish to catch, no nothing.
Oh.
Wow, this is pretty cool. Nice little snare trap there. Okay, so let's rate these and see how survivable they actually are.
So you need a bunch of tape with you to get what?
So unlikely, but okay. If you have tape, then it's a nice little thing to carry water in.
Yeah, but I wouldn't ring it because there is a glue.
Yeah,
on
there's
the
the glue
tape,
on the
right?
tape that's not healthy for sure.
But
But if
first-
you're in survival situations, you're willing to look past things like that for sure.
That's also true. That's also true. Okay.
Okay,
Grab.
so for this one,
Okay.
we have a
it's-
long rod and some sticks. It's another snare. So you put the food on it and then it catches it.
Okay, yeah. It's actually I love this. It doesn't look complicated.
Classic
for me,
design.
yeah.
I would say
I
like
would rate it.
8 out of 10. 7, 8 out of 10.
Yeah, yeah.
A
Same,
torch,
same.
pretty nice. Let's see, stripping the wood off of this wooden plank, which you need a knife for, so if you have one, it's good. I think like it takes a little bit off the rating if it requires you to have a tool, right? Because a lot of the times, if you are stuck in these situations, you're not going to have a tool with you.
Yeah, but you can make them. I
You
mean,
can
of
make
course,
tools
it's
for sure.
take more time,
Yeah.
to do all this stuff. But I guess we all know about all this technique with the stone when you can smash it and get us eggs or something.
True, true.
Yeah, of course, I wouldn't say that it's gonna be easy, but yes, it's possible. The only concern for me, it's the food. It's the
Yes,
food and
yeah.
water. About like.
Because you have to make sure it's clean, obviously, clean food, clean
Yeah.
water. You have to cook it, so you have to be able to make a fire. The two people who like eggplant. No, I know a lot of people do, but still, it's not very good. Okay, so now we have,
Some bakery.
that looks really good.
That's fine. It's just.
It's just a piece of bread with
Yeah.
sauce on it.
I mean,
But when it's on a stick, it looks better. Everything looks better on a stick.
it's true.
Even-
But if you try to survive, for sure it's nice. But where did you get the dough?
Where did you get all of this fancy stuff? Yeah, where did you get
Yeah.
French fries in the wild?
Yeah. Wow.
Wild McDonald's appeared.
Wow. Not bad.
Looks tasty. I would eat it.
Oh, bacon, of course.
Even better.
Yeah. Of course. Easy to survive with such a guy,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
These people are. Something tells me they're not really having to survive much.
Wow, I feel hungry.
Yeah, this is actually making me really hungry too.
Okay.
We need food. Give us more food.
More, please.
There's like a little kebab necklace. Like wear it afterwards and just pick it up, eat it.
You just can, hang it on you and eat it during the day.
Yeah, it's nice.
Fast food. Is it fast food?
Okay.
Oh.
So now we have some
Now
hot water in
we'll
there, some ramen.
quickly-
Ooh, with some cheese. Heck yeah.
Will it?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's mac and cheese. That is mac and cheese.
Wow, I wanna do it.
Me too.
I
Me
wanna-
too. That looks really good.
Yeah. Okay.
Not bad. Tin can. Put some macaroni in there.
Now again. some
More cheese, maybe?
Yeah,
Mayonnaise.
I want a macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. Guys, can you just... One sec. We're going to get some
Yeah.
mac and cheese and be right back. Just kidding. We have to do
Okay,
this.
after. Yes.
We have to
As
do this
soon
for
as we
you.
finish. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, how it's gonna work? Where's the fire?
Yeah, where's the fire there?
Come on.
Okay, automatic tent, very nice. Get in our automatic tent. I feel like this is just every tent ever now.
Yeah.
Folding camp cot.
Nice.
Okay.
It's actually
Looks pretty
5-star hotel.
Yeah, right? Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty leisurely.
Yeah.
Okay, we put a little bit of aluminum in either side of this, some rice. All right.
Okay.
This is how you cook your rice.
In bamboo.
Looks
Wow.
good, looks bamboo-y, looks good.